Welcome to AI Streetz. Today I'm going to show you in Microsoft, in Bing, how to create images, okay? Where to find ideas to create images. Okay, right now I'm in Microsoft. I will type in here bing.com images create. And to use this, you have to have a Microsoft email address. Okay. Um, to create images, maybe you say, I don't know how to start. I don't know where where to go, how to find ideas. Go to explore ideas right in here. And then you look at the different styles. Okay. The different style. There are so many styles here that you can use. For instance, this is just let's go. A child playing the background. This is just illustration. You can if you don't like it, you can find another one. Look for beautiful ones like this one. Let's see. A picnic on a green meadow with basket and fruits. For instance, if you want to create like a lady reading a book while having picnic with fruit and stuff, you can just copy this and add the lady to it, and then you will get something like this with a lady reading a book. Let's copy it really quick here. Copy, and then I'll go here and I'll paste it in here. Okay, a picnic on a green, a beautiful lady, a beautiful woman reading a book while having a picnic on a green meadow basket of flowers. Okay, um okay, this is our prompt. So we add this to it, to the picnic, because we want this style. And do know that every day you have 15 credits. And the more you use your credits, the more points you will get up here, okay? So we're going to click on this and see what's going to happen. And it's basically designing it for us. So you see it right here. Do you see now? We have they added the beautiful woman for us, and you see the fruit is still here, and she's reading the book, and she is in the same like realistic art as the vegetables and the fruits are. Look at that. You see that? So that's how you can mix up. You see, it's so beautiful. Wow, I love it. You see that? So beautiful. This is a pillow, I think, and these are legs. I don't know. Yeah, you see that you added to it. So in this case, you could remove this and add kids and stuff and all that. Okay, let's go back to creations to explore ideas. This is one of the form that you can. And do know that with Microsoft Bing, you are not allowed to sell these images when you create them for free. What you can do, you can copy these same image, these same prompts that you have, and bring them into ChatGPT 4, and you look for Dall-E, the GPT Dall-E, and then you can create these same images there, and then you are allowed to sell them. Okay, let's go back to explore ideas. Yeah, like I said, you come in here, look at this, so beautiful. It says here a neon light jungle with glowing flora and fauna with the trees and okay, neon light jungle. Okay, you can copy this, and you don't say a neon light jungle. You don't say jungle. You said neon light people walking on the street, holding hands in the city, for instance. Then you will have neon light people walking, or neon light animals, or neon light butterflies. You know, so you will have everything that you want to create in neon light. Okay, okay. Let's go to another one. Let's see another one. You see, so beautiful, so beautiful. This one, I'll select this one for now. Okay, it says here Abstract 3D shape, half sun, half moon. Okay, half sun, half moon. I didn't see the moon here. Foliage and flower incorporated, light emitting black background. Okay, if you want images like this, you can copy this. Okay, let's copy it. Copy, and then we're going to change it a little bit. Paste it in here, and then we don't want a half moon, half sun moon. Let's say we want the letter B, foliage and flowers in light and not black background. So let's say white background. White background. Okay. Abstract 3D shape of the letter B, foliage and flowers incorporated. You see here where it says foliage and flowers, you can add other stuff in here. Okay. Light emitting. Let's see what it will be. Okay, let's see them. That's nice. Let's go to this one. Okay, so nice. That's beautiful. These look like small watermelons. Okay, you see how nice these are. Like I said, you can use this same prompt and go to ChatGPT 4 if you have a subscription, and then you can design those letters, and then you can sell these as PNGs on Etsy. Okay, or you can put in, like, let people put in like custom orders. For instance, you list them online and tell them they can request their favorite letter, and then you will create it and send it up to them. Or you can make the whole alphabet and then sell it as a bundle. Okay, but you need to use your prompts on ChatGPT, because with the free AI here, you may not use this for commercial purposes. Okay, so like I was telling you, to find ideas, please go to explore ideas and check them out, and also go online and look for art styles, especially, yeah, art styles. There are different art styles online. You can go and check them out and come and try them in here. So every day you come and try them, and then when you see that your prompt worked really well, you can copy them and save them in a PDF. And you can even sell these prompts to people, because some people want to design these for social media, to post on social media, not to sell them. So you can sell those prompts to them so that they can come in here and create their images for their social media. Okay, and I also have here on the site, here on my YouTube, how to package your prompts for sale. I showed you everything. I have a video, I will link it below. Okay, so this is another one. It says, look at this. A nature reserve showing an elephant, zebra, and lion made of origami paper that have come to life. You see, if you want origami things, and here, this is the art style. The origami paper is the art style. And here, you do not have to have nature. You can ask for something else. For instance, human, a man and a family, a man, a woman, and a child walking, or a kid riding a bike, or a dog, playing with, or a cat playing with a yarn ball. So you can change it up and we still have the origami, like the art style right in here, and bring something else to life. Okay. Okay. So go in there, create a email email account with Microsoft, and then you have access to Bing Images Create. You go here, you see this, you select this Bing Images Create, and then it will be open for you, and then you can start creating. Go to explore ideas, look at the different art styles, and then you copy it, bring it here, paste it here, and then remove the subjects and add your own. Okay, and add your own, and also go online and look for art styles. There are different art styles, and you come in here and practice with different things, and you see that before you know, you will be a pro in it. And the other thing is, like I said, um you can create the prompts, save them in a PDF file, or go to Canva, save it in a PDF file, and you can sell the prompts online. Because some people, they want to create in here not to sell the images, but for their social media, like for to create reels on social media, like for Facebook, YouTube, um, TikTok, yeah, and all that. So you you can sell those prompts to them. The images you don't sell, but the prompts, the words you can sell because you came up with the ideas for the words. Okay, so go in here and try it out. You will see that you will be successful with it. Um, Let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.